Yo, what's going on, you guys? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get RPlay for free. Now, I'm on my computer. I'm just showing you guys RPlay. You do not need a computer for this or a jailbreak. It's very simple. Now you can see that it costs $12 here at the bottom. Now all I wanted to say is that all I'm gonna ask you guys to do is to be active on my YouTube, and if you guys have Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. Stay active and like my upcoming post and upcoming posts on YouTube. That's all I ask, guys. Not very much. You to just stay active. It means a lot. And if you guys want to comment some stuff you think that I should start doing on my channel, just let me know. And yeah. But yeah, to get this app, all you guys have to do is DM me. I most likely will answer back quickest on Instagram. That's why I said that you should stay active on there. But yeah, it's up to you, but quickest would probably be Instagram, and it means a lot, guys, if you stay active. And yeah, I think that's fair. $12 app for just staying active. It's not that hard. But yeah, guys, just make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe. And once I give you the sign in to RPlay, when you DM me, make sure you go leave a like on the video and comment below that I am legit, so people will know. And yeah, see you guys later. Peace.